Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the GRASS Airdrop, the latest update, how you can be able to earn 3 times faster, and the eligibility criteria for the season 2. So everything is going to be short and precise. I'm going to be going straight to the point. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so right now let's go to the main point, which is of course the GRASS Airdrop. All right, so this is what you need to know right now concerning the GRASS Airdrop. Okay, so right now they have made it possible for their users to earn 3 times faster, and that is only possible when you are using their mobile app. All right, so about a week ago I introduced their mobile app to our community on Telegram, where we started earning earlier, even before the app went public. All right, so but just 3 days ago the app has now went public, and now everyone is to go and get the app and start farming the GRASS Airdrop season 2. Mind you, we are currently in the season 2, and currently as I'm recording this video we are currently on the epoch 9. All right, so if you have any double mind about GRASS Airdrop, or if you have been doubting GRASS Airdrop, trust me, this is the best time that you need to key in right now, because this is the time that we earn the most. All right, so these chances has never come by before, and right now it is now on our door. So right now we are going to be getting started right now. First, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get the app, and remember, all the required link are going to be left right there on the video description box. Remember, we are now going to be earning 3 times faster than before. So if you have any double mind, if you have been doubting, trust me, this is the best time for you to get started with the GRASS Airdrop. All right, so without wasting time, let me now take you in. Let me show you all you need to know about the GRASS Airdrop, so that you too can start earning the GRASS points, which is going to be qualifying you for the season 2 airdrop. So without wasting time, guys, I'm going to be telling you the airdrop eligibility criteria right now. So they to be eligible for the GRASS Airdrop season 2, you only need to achieve 100 hours of uptime. And now, how do you actually achieve it? You can achieve it by opening the app or running the node, whichever way you want to do it. All right, so you can achieve it by getting to run the node, or installing the app on your phone and leaving it connected to the internet for 100 hours. Now, what is 100 hours? Of course, 24 hours makes a day, and of course 24 hours times 5 is already more than 100, right? So you only need to spend about 4 days plus for you to achieve this 100 hours of uptime. That is because sometimes you tend to get disconnected from the internet. You understand me? So right now, this is all you need to know right now. Let me now tell you, let me now show you how you can be able to get the app and get yourself on the line right now. All right, guys, so once you click the link on the video description box, you are going to be brought right here. So looking over here right now, you can see that the app is available for Android users and also desktop users. If you are using iOS, if you're using iPhone, the app is currently not available for you. What you need to do if you are using an iPhone is to, of course, install the extension on your phone and run it just like this one right here. Okay, you simply need to install the extension on your phone and run it just like mine. All right, if you're using iPhone, but if you're using an Android device, you need to come over here and download the app. You can see the app. When you're using it, you are going to be earning 3 times faster, but if you're using desktop, you are going to be earning 2 times faster. All right, so once you download the app, you are going to be brought right here. Before you gain access into the app, just like myself, you can see I'm using the app right here, the GRASS app. I'm using it. So once you are brought right here, you are only going to be required to log into your account using the same detail that you used to create your account right here on the website. All right, so once you get yourself right here, there are a couple of things that you need to do, which is getting yourself verified. All right, so when you come over here right now, you can see you can actually get your referral link, which you can then use to refer people. So looking over here right now, you can see that I have about 378 referrals right here, and only 57 of them are my true referrals. That is because the other people couldn't get up to 100 hours, and for your referral accounts you need to achieve at least 100 hours of uptime, which is also going to be qualifying you to receive the airdrop. All right, so coming over here right now, you can see this is what we have right here. You can see the epoch 9 is currently fire. We just been here for a couple of days, and also I've stacked already I've stacked about 71,000 points right here. You can see today's earning is already about 1,296 points. This is literally the best way you can ever farm GRASS Airdrop. All right, so looking over here, you can see I'm farming at 3 times speed, meaning that I'm earning 3 times faster. If I'm supposed to earn 1 point for every second, I'm now earning 3 points instead. That's what it simply means. So if you want to start GRASS Airdrop, you can gather as many points as you can through this epoch 9, where we are now using the mobile app. All right, so coming over here to the website version, you can see what we have right. When I click over here on this button, you can see you need to come over here and of course verify your Solana address. Very, very important. And when you come over here, this is where you can track all your epoch earning. You can see over here, these are my earning consecutively according to the epoch. And of course right here, you also need to verify your email, verify your wallet, and confirm your email. Very, very important. All these are going to be putting you on the best position to qualify and be eligible for this GRASS Airdrop. All right, so coming over here to this button, this is where you tend to claim some reward. Depending on the number of referral, you tend to get awarded for that. All right, so this is all you literally need to know about the GRASS Airdrop, and this is the best way that you can ever earn GRASS Airdrop. All right, so if you have any question, leave it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to address it immediately. And in case you are having the problem of seeing yourself disconnected right here, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and make sure that you have internet connection. Go ahead and click on this button right here. All right, it is going to be correcting it immediately. Click on this button and you are going to be seeing yourself connected again immediately, provided that you have internet connection. The same thing is also applicable right here on the mobile app. If you're having any difficulty, do well to go to the website to download the latest version. All right, download the latest version, then log in, then you click on the button that will be appearing right here. That is going to get your account updated to the latest data that you have achieved already. All right, so this is all you need to know right now concerning the GRASS Airdrop. If you have any question, do well to leave it right there on the comment section, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that will be dropping very, very soon. Thank you, and I do have a lovely day.